Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract their desires while others struggle to manifest even the simplest dreams? If you've ever felt stuck or frustrated in your pursuit of success, love, or abundance, then get ready, because today we're diving deep into the transformative power of the law of assumption as taught by the legendary Neville Goddard. Welcome to our channel, where we explore timeless wisdom and practical strategies to help you unlock your full potential and create a life you love. In today's video, we're delving into one of the most profound principles of manifestation, the law of assumption. This powerful concept, championed by Neville Goddard, goes beyond mere positive thinking and dives straight into the heart of how our assumptions shape our reality. So, if you're ready to discover how to harness the incredible power of assumption to manifest your deepest desires, then stick around, because you're in for a life-changing journey. The law of assumption is a foundational concept in the realm of manifestation, popularized by the influential spiritual teacher Neville Goddard. At its core, it revolves around the notion that assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled is the key to bringing your desired reality into existence. In other words, rather than waiting for external circumstances to change, the focus is on embodying the emotional state as if your desire has already been realized. Neville Goddard's teachings emphasize the profound impact of assumptions on shaping our experiences and circumstances. He believed that our outer world is a reflection of our inner state of being, and that by consciously adopting new assumptions, we can effectively rewrite the script of our lives. According to Goddard, our assumptions act as powerful seeds planted in the fertile soil of the subconscious mind, influencing our thoughts, beliefs, and actions on a subconscious level. This highlights the intricate connection between assumptions, beliefs, and the subconscious mind. Our beliefs, whether conscious or subconscious, serve as the lens through which we perceive reality and interpret our experiences. When we consistently assume the feeling of our wish fulfilled, we are effectively programming our subconscious mind to align with our desired outcomes. This sets into motion a powerful ripple effect, attracting opportunities, resources, and circumstances that support the manifestation of our desires. So, by understanding and harnessing the law of assumption, we gain the ability to consciously co-create our reality and manifest the life we truly desire. Now, let's delve into how you can put the law of assumption into action in your everyday life. Firstly, it's crucial to identify your desires with clarity. Take some time to reflect on what you truly want to manifest in your life. Whether it's financial abundance, a fulfilling career, loving relationships, or vibrant health, being specific about your desires helps to focus your energy and intention. Once you've identified your desires, the next step is to assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. This involves immersing yourself in the emotional experience of already having achieved your desired outcome. Visualization is a powerful technique for this purpose. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself living your desired reality. Engage all your senses to make the visualization as real and vivid as possible. Affirmations are another effective tool to reinforce the feeling of success and abundance. Repeat positive affirmations related to your desire, affirming that it is already yours. Additionally, scripting or writing out a detailed description of your desired reality as if it has already happened can help to evoke the feeling of fulfillment. Persistence is key when it comes to applying the law of assumption. It's important to consistently and persistently maintain the assumed feeling of your wish fulfilled, even in the face of doubts or setbacks. Trust in the process and continue to align your thoughts, beliefs, and actions with your desired outcome. Remember that the universe responds to the energy you emit, so by staying committed to your assumption, you are actively attracting your desires into your life. To illustrate the effectiveness of applying the law of assumption, let me share a personal experience. A few years ago, I was struggling to advance in my career and felt stuck in a job that didn't fulfill me. Through studying Neville Goddard's teachings, I learned about the power of assumption and decided to apply it to my career goals. I began visualizing myself in my dream job, feeling the excitement and fulfillment of doing meaningful work. I persisted in this assumption, even when faced with challenges and doubts. And eventually, opportunities started to align, leading me to a job that not only matched my desires, but exceeded them in ways I hadn't imagined possible. This experience reinforced to me the transformative power of assumption and inspired me to share it with others. While the law of assumption can be incredibly powerful, it's common for people to encounter certain hurdles or misconceptions along the way. Let's address some of these challenges and explore strategies for overcoming them. Doubt and disbelief are perhaps the most pervasive obstacles when applying the law of assumption. It's natural for doubts to arise, especially when we're confronted with circumstances that seem to contradict our desired reality. However, it's essential to recognize that doubt is simply a manifestation of our old beliefs and conditioning. To overcome doubt, one strategy is to gather evidence that supports your desired outcome. Reflect on past successes or synchronicities that validate the power of assumption. Additionally, practice affirmations and visualization regularly to reinforce your belief in the assumed outcome. Remember, belief is a muscle that strengthens with consistent exercise. Impatience is another common challenge in the manifestation process. When we're eagerly awaiting results, impatience can creep in and undermine our efforts. However, it's important to understand that manifestation operates on its own timeline, which may not always align with our expectations. Patience is a virtue when it comes to manifesting desires. Trust in the divine timing of the universe and remain open to unexpected opportunities and blessings along the way. Cultivate a sense of gratitude for the present moment, knowing that every step forward is progress toward your desired outcome. Resistance to change can also hinder our ability to fully embrace new assumptions and beliefs. Our subconscious mind is programmed with years of conditioning and beliefs that may not necessarily serve our highest good. To overcome resistance to change, it's important to first identify any limiting beliefs or subconscious patterns that may be holding you back. This could involve journaling, therapy, or other forms of self-reflection. Once you've identified these barriers, work on reprogramming your subconscious mind through techniques such as affirmations, visualization, and hypnosis. Surround yourself with supportive environments and communities that reinforce your new assumptions and beliefs, and gradually, you'll find that resistance begins to dissolve, making way for the manifestation of your desires. By addressing these common hurdles and misconceptions, you can navigate the manifestation process with greater clarity, confidence, and effectiveness, ultimately bringing your desired reality into fruition. Now, let's draw inspiration from real-life success stories of individuals who have harnessed the law of assumption to manifest their desires and transform their lives. One remarkable example is the story of Sarah, who dreamed of starting her own business but faced numerous challenges and self-doubt along the way. Through diligent application of the law of assumption, Sarah began visualizing herself as a successful entrepreneur, feeling the excitement and fulfillment of running her own company. Despite initial setbacks and doubts, she persisted in her assumption, taking inspired action towards her goals. Eventually, her unwavering belief and determination paid off as she launched her business and watched it flourish beyond her wildest dreams. Sarah's story teaches us the importance of unwavering belief in the face of adversity and the power of persistence in manifesting our desires. Another inspiring example is the journey of James, who struggled with chronic health issues and yearned for vibrant health and vitality. Using visualization, affirmations, and a commitment to healthy habits, James began assuming the feeling of being healthy and whole. Despite moments of doubt and fear, he continued to hold onto his vision of wellness with unwavering faith. Over time, his health began to improve, and he experienced a newfound sense of energy and vitality. James' story reminds us that our assumptions have the power to shape our physical reality and that healing is possible when we align our beliefs with our desired outcome. These success stories offer valuable insights and lessons that viewers can apply to their own manifestation journey. First and foremost, they highlight the importance of clarity, belief, and persistence in manifesting desires. By clearly defining what you want and wholeheartedly believing in its manifestation, you set the stage for success. Additionally, these stories underscore the power of consistency and commitment in maintaining the assumed feeling of the wish fulfilled, even in the face of doubt or adversity. Finally, they demonstrate the transformative potential of the law of assumption in all areas of life, whether it's career, health, relationships, or personal fulfillment. By internalizing these key lessons and drawing inspiration from real-life success stories, viewers can embark on their own manifestation journey with confidence and conviction, knowing that they possess the power to create the life of their dreams through the timeless principles of assumption and belief. In conclusion, we've explored the transformative power of the law of assumption, as taught by Neville Goddard, and its profound implications for shaping our reality. We've discussed the importance of identifying our desires, assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, persisting in our assumptions, and overcoming common hurdles along the manifestation journey. Through inspiring success stories and key insights, we've witnessed firsthand the remarkable potential of assumption in manifesting our deepest desires and transforming our lives. Now, I encourage you, dear viewers, to embark on your own journey of experimentation with the law of assumption. Embrace the power of assumption in your daily life, and be open to the miracles and manifestations that unfold. Share your experiences and insights in the comments section below, and let's support and inspire each other on this incredible journey of self-discovery and manifestation. Lastly, I express my heartfelt gratitude for joining us today. If you found this content valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content on personal development and manifestation techniques inspired by Neville Goddard. Together, let's co-create a reality filled with abundance, joy, and fulfillment. Thank you all for watching, and I'm genuinely excited for the manifestation journey that lies ahead for each and every one of you. Remember, the power to create the life of your dreams is within your reach through the principles of assumption and belief. So, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.